How do you get your cutting board to stop slipping around on the counter when you're working? Hi, I'm Mark Bierke and welcome to Tabula, where you can find simple lessons for the home cook. This is by far the simplest and best trick that I picked up working in professional kitchens. I'll share it with you right now. Not only is a slippery cutting board annoying, it's also dangerous. So here's what I want you to do. Take a wet paper towel that you've wrung out, and then place that on the countertop before you place your cutting board down. So this is going to increase your safety. Today's simple tip is to put a moist paper towel underneath your cutting board.